Welcome to this tutorial on Plaid versus Open Banking UK API integration. In this guide, we will explore the key concepts and practical examples of integrating these two popular APIs into your application. First, let's start with the basics. Plaid is a financial services company that provides a platform for developers to integrate financial data into their applications. Open Banking UK, on the other hand, is a UK-based initiative that allows banks to share customer data with third-party providers through APIs. When it comes to API integration, both Plaid and Open Banking UK offer different approaches. Plaid provides a unified API that allows developers to access financial data from multiple banks and institutions, while Open Banking UK provides a standardized API that allows banks to share customer data with third-party providers. To integrate Plaid into your application, you will need to create an account, obtain an API key, and install the Plaid SDK. You can then use the Plaid API to connect to bank accounts, retrieve account information, and initiate payments. On the other hand, to integrate Open Banking UK into your application, you will need to register with the Financial Conduct Authority, obtain a client ID and secret, and implement the Open Banking UK API. You can then use the API to connect to bank accounts, retrieve account information, and initiate payments. In terms of security, both Plaid and Open Banking UK provide robust security measures to protect customer data. Plaid uses encryption and secure socket layer technology to protect data in transit, while Open Banking UK uses OAuth 2.0 and JSON Web Tokens to authenticate and authorize API requests. When choosing between Plaid and Open Banking UK, consider the following factors. If you need to access financial data from multiple banks and institutions, Plaid may be the better choice. However, if you are building an application that is specific to the UK market, Open Banking UK may be the better choice. In conclusion, integrating Plaid or Open Banking UK into your application can provide a range of benefits, including access to financial data, streamlined payments, and improved customer experience. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can successfully integrate these APIs into your application and start building innovative financial services. Remember to consider the key factors, including security, scalability, and compliance, when choosing between Plaid and Open Banking UK.